You are very welcome to Safubafo's kitchen. When a full chicken is not roasted well, the skin tastes good, but the inside, you got it. The inside tastes something bad. Now let's get started. Let's first go to Safubafo's Poultry Farm Company Limited and buy full organic chicken. We just arrived. Fresh chicken. 3 big onion, 1 big ginger, 1 full clove of garlic, 1 pepper, 1 teaspoon of powder pepper, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 glass of water. No, 2 glasses of water. Sorry, 2 glasses of water. After adding 2 glasses of water, blend everything. After blending everything, put it into a clean bowl. Then scoop 1, 2, and 3. Then taste the salt to see, because elections are won at the polling station. After that, add 1 full lemon or lime to it and stir it. After adding the lemon, add 1 full glass of milk. And then add 1 egg. After adding the egg, stir it together. Have you ever experienced this? You ate chicken. The skin was good, but the inside was horrible. But if you follow this Safubafo's method, you are never going to experience such experience before. After pouring the mixture onto the full chicken, put it inside the fridge for 1 day. The leftover of the blended garlic, ginger, onion, etc. Pour about half glass of olive oil or any cooking vegetable oil into the mixture and put it inside the fridge as well. The next day, we are going to continue. Remove the mixture or the full chicken from the fridge. First, add little bit enough of oil onto the tray and then put your chicken. Before putting the chicken, make sure all the milk mixture is drained from the chicken, and then put it onto your tray. Now it is time to be generous. Give, and it shall be given. Give enough of your blended mixture to the chicken, and the chicken will give you good taste. After applying enough of the mixture onto the chicken, you see the chicken is happy now, giving you assurance that it is going to give you good taste. Add extra vegetable or extra any cooking oil you have in your kitchen. After that, let it go into the baking oven. It is going to roast for about 40 to 1 hour depending on the temperature. Don't drink and drive. Also, don't sleep and cook. It is dangerous. It hurts. It has burnt my hand. No pain, no gain. Wow. At the end, we are going to have sweet, tasty chicken. I wish you were here now tasting this chicken with me to see the truth in this method. Every corner of this chicken tastes good. Thank you for watching Safubafo's TV. Please, if today is your first time of hearing this wonderful voice, please kindly subscribe.